So myself, Pratim Bhattacharya. I am the application manager here for the IMTOS Solutions India Private Limited. So our company is Imaginarium Group. So we have a multiple group of companies. So Imaginarium is almost 2 decades of company.
Okay.
So we are started with services. So like jewelry was our first time, like Imaginarium Precious, then after Imaginarium Rapid. So now we are the Imaginarium Solutions, and even we have Imaginarium Life division. Those who look after the healthcare department, like using 3D printing, how healthcare has been evaluating and now. So we have Imaginarium Precious who are into jewelry business with 3D printing, how jewelries are going on. And then after we have solutions, we are into machine promotion. We provide solution to industries in terms of machine development. Like the people, those who have a requirement for 3D printer machines, we sell them. So we are into that. So we have multiple brands with us. So in India, we are one of the partner for multiple brands. So like G Additive is there, then after Formula is there, Ultimaker, Race 3D. So we promote them in India in multiple sector of manufacturing, coming up from automobile, then after your healthcare, then after your aerospace, dental. Dental comes under the healthcare division completely, yes. Medical division. Then after your completely like architectures and multiple segments like jewelries. So 3D printing is now you can say like in every part of the industry 3D printing has a requirement, because this is the best way of doing prototyping, batch manufacturing, functional testing part. So we are into that now.
Alright, sir. So you cured about the automobile industry, that you are into automobile, you are helping a lot. Can you tell me how automobile specifically?
Automobile, if I say automobile is one of the industry, those who do very fast R&Ds as well as new product development, you can say. So with developing with a new product, automobile comes up with a lot of prototyping applications, lot of functional testing. For their car has to be a complete car, even not only car, I will say it's a bike, it's a two-wheeler, it can be three-wheeler, even the tractors, even with the heavy vehicles, those who are. So every automobile industry needs a lot of prototyping, lot of functional testing, lot of functional fitment testing. So these all has been done by 3D printing. And even nowadays with EVs and all, lot of 3D printed parts has been used into the automobile. So like Ola, they are using it, and even a lot of big companies are there, those who are directly using 3D printing for their own applications like Maruti's and everyone. So we are obviously helping them onto that part.
Alright, sir. Any specific challenges that you are facing or you want to convey?
3D printing as a challenges is not, I will say, like a challenges. If it's like 3D printing is meant not for mass manufacturing, but 3D printing is mainly for your batch manufacturing where people are doing. So this concept has to become up. Obviously, a lot of people compare 3D printing with the mass manufacturing technique. But that we are accepting, like no, mass manufacturing, that is concept different scenario. But 3D printing, wherever you need a very short batch production like 100, 200, even with 1000 quantities also. So 3D printing is a very right way to do that. So that we are doing.
Alright, sir. Thank you so much for the time, and this is what I wanted to ask.
Thank you.